Here on India Today, we've been getting you the latest on how monsoons have been wreaking havoc in states like Himachal Pradesh. It's triggered flash floods. Unfortunately, there's been a high death toll also because of the same. Several villages have completely been cut off. Tourists were also stranded for the longest time. Manjeet Sehgal now files this ground report on the situation currently in Himachal.
Damaged cars, buildings that are now a concrete rubble, roads blocked by debris. Dharamshala is picking up pieces after the destruction wreaked by flash floods and landslides earlier this week. The hill station received 395 mm rainfall over Sunday and Monday, its heaviest downpour in the last 23 years. For residents and tourists, it has been a harrowing time. "35-year-old Vinod is a taxi operator in the region. His car has suffered huge damage.
स्टीयरिंग तक मलबा भर गया था, जो क्रेन भी नहीं उठा पा रही थी गाड़ी को, इसलिए अब वो खाली करने के लिए बोल के गए हैं, इसलिए हम इसको खाली कर रहे हैं मलबा। और इसमें बहुत भारी गाद भरा हुआ था, मिट्टी पत्थर बहुत अंदर शीशा सासा तोड़कर पार हो गया है। और ये गाड़ी जो थी सबसे ऊपर में लगी थी, इस वजह से बाकी गाड़ियों का नुकसान कम हो गया, पर इसको ये पूरी तरह से क्षतिग्रस्त हो गई है।
Vinod had taken a loan for this taxi, but the COVID lockdown and now the floods have hit him hard.
पिछले 2 साल से जब से टैक्सी ली हुई है, तब से लॉकडाउन का प्रोसेस चली हुई है, ना टैक्सी का काम हो रहा है ना कुछ, और लोन की किस्तें भी अपने से भरनी पड़ रही है।
Vehicles of many tourist operators are buried in the debris yet to be cleared. Many operators have gone back home.
मलबे जो बाइक फंसी हुई है वो ये कस्टमर की, मतलब जो घूमने आए थे, जो पर्यटन थे, उनकी है बाइक ये। शायद वो जलंधर के थे, जो कल 4-5 बाइकें भी हमको बोल रहे थे कि जलंधर पहुंचाने हैं वो बाइक पे।
These youngsters have been forced to cut their tour short.
मोस्टली यही एरिया में सिर्फ बाढ़ थी और बाकी सब जगह नॉर्मल बारिश था, तो हम हॉस्टल में रुके हुए थे सब, और हॉस्टल वाला हमें बता रहा था कि हौसला दे रहा था।
खाना नहीं था तो एवरीवन वाज शेयरिंग फूड, बिजली वगैरह सबका प्रॉब्लम हुआ, बट देन एवरीथिंग वाज मैनेज्ड।
Power and water supply is still erratic, and they have been now compelled to move. They were trapped inside their hotels and guest houses for 2 days. There was no food. However, they managed the next 2 days, but the things became normal, and now rescue operation is still on. Vehicles which are still under the debris are being removed. The video journalist Dilip Sahu, this is Manjeet Sehgal at Bhagsunag, Dharamshala for India Today.
And that's all we have time for in this edition of First Up. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day, and remember that the news and updates continue right here on India Today.